guys, today I'm going to teach you how to do bird bullshit like this. So, sorry I missed it. So, if you want to do this trick, you must know how to do a little of lighthouse. You just need to do a little lighthouse. You just need to do a little of it and you go inside. Don't need go inside. Yeah. You just need to know how to balance it. Okay, so let's pause. Hi guys, sorry for the disturb. Yeah, so if you want to learn, you must know. Yeah, I tell you one thing. This is my trick. If you want to do, okay, serious. My reaction. This is my looks. This is how I hold, right? Here's the big cup and here's the small cup, right? So, serious. If you want to do the big cup bird, you must turn it like this and it will turn like this. The ball. Okay, sorry. I'm going to turn. It will turn like this and it will balance on it. If you want to do the small cup bird, you must do it. You must hold like big cup. You know big cup, right? You just hold it like this and like that and you go under. Yeah. So sorry, I need to pause again. Yeah, if you want to do a small cup bird, I'm also learning. I'm trying to do it. Fail. 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 Just do it one time. Okay, I give up. Okay, so if you want to do bird, yeah. Okay, so the next video, I'm going to teach you how to do airplane. So peace guys, peace off. I already teach you how to do bird. Yeah. Oh wait. So if you want to go into the spike, right? You must just bend your knees. Go to the big cupboard and bend your knees. If you are in big cupboard, okay. I hope I got a GoPro. I hope I got a GoPro, man. Yeah. So if you doing in the big cupboard, you need to go behind and bend your knees and you go down. If you're doing the small cupboard, you just need to throw a little high. I didn't say throw that high. Throw a little high, very low. You go in front and you bend your knees. So peace, bye. And please share, like, and comment and subscribe. Whirlwind. Yeah, I'm not teaching whirlwind yet.